Litson is a staple Filipino cuisine during different kinds of celebrations, may it be birthdays, fiestas, wedding, christening, and even bought per kilo when people hunger and want to indulge. This roasted pig is an aromatic and succulent dish with fresh herbs and spices. The crispy skin that you want to keep coming back for more. The lechon is even sometimes bare even before the celebration commences.
Diri man gud nawarag lechon basta may okasyon. Nagpalit akong lechon, bisan lagot ti ay tamhanda basta may lechon haamon lamisa.
Kaon-kaon kasi yan ang lechon. So pumalit ako yung lechon para amon nagsusura niya na gabi.
As delicious as it is, unsold parts per day is considerably high for the Tacloban City Litson Industry Association or TACLEA. TACLEA is a group of micro-entrepreneurs of lechon producers formed by the initiatives of the current president, Carlo Romano. A daily average success of 30 kilograms of unsold lechon can be collected from the members, which surge up to 200 kilograms during the off-peak season. Mr. Romano, being a devoted community organizer, saw the need of the producers and felt the problems of storage. Storage costs, spoilage, and wastage, prompting him to approach ABFIC.
Usa nga problema na mo nakita ang mga paraglitsyon, ang mga leftover. Pinurihan kami kung paano ang solusyon aside from nga ikuban na mo niya gililitsyon paksiw. Ang gimbubuhat ang mga paraglitsyon, gimbabaligyan nira nga tuha mga restaurant at a lesser price. Inihiyang nga butilya, inihiyang nga litsyon paksiw nga bottle. Nakita ko nga aside from na-introduce namon ang litsyon din sa Tacloban, nabubuligan mismo ang mga paraglitsyon din sa Tacloban. Pero may daliwat akong kabarakan. Kaya na akong ginpapaligyan nga litsyon paksiw ni butilya. Problema ang iya safety. Bangin ako, tungod nga waray pa iniya lisensya, tungod nga waray pa iniya mga ginpaagihin o sa nga mga examination, may dako mga fears, may dako mga kahadlok. Bangin ako, kung ano man may tao nga makakaon, kihaan ako.
The technology we are using is very simple and has been used for some time already. Value addition involves acidification and thermal processing. With this, we can immensely reduce waste from unsold lechon. Since self-stable packaged products produced is convenient, can be distributed not just here in Leyte. This will contribute growth to the association and increase their profits. We are also hopeful that other lechon producers in the country can benchmark the technology in diversifying and growing their business.
Ini nga mga ahensya, durot ang pagpasalamat labi na ang Department of Science and Technology, UST, Eastern Visayas State University, hanhira bulig nga matagan ng solusyon ini nga problema, labi na ini nga mga leftover, matagan ng solusyon. Nga diri ini hiya maging maduro, nga maging lesser ini nga problema kaamon mismo ng paraglitsyon. Damo salamat kayo matagal.
The CRADLE program is one of the 4 components of the Science for Change program that aims to create a synergistic relationship between the academe, government, and industry with the goal of invigorating research and development. The DOST aid supports the implementation of the said program with the success of the approved CRADLE project of Eastern Visayas State University in Tacloban City and the Tacloban City Litson Industry Association entitled Reworking of Processed Meat using a combined heat acidification-heat treatment process. The project aims to reprocess or rework the unsold processed meat from Litson producers of Tacloban City into convenient, shelf-stable, acidified, thermally processed lechon paksiw and humba de leite. The UST is encouraging researchers and industries from Region 8 to submit proposals under the said program to promote more academic industry research and development collaboration in the region.
In the recent years, the quest for alternative uses and value addition for food processing byproducts has gained global attention since the usual industrial practice of food processing waste disposal leads to economic loss and social environmental problems. Currently, this byproduct has attracted the rising interest in functional foods because Okara contains many beneficial components.
Okara is rich in dietary fiber, protein, lipid, and phytochemicals such as isoflavone, lignan, and phytosterol. Several health benefits of Okara have been documented. It has been reported to prevent diabetes, hyperlipidemia, and obesity. In addition, it has antioxidant and prebiotic effects that can help promote gut health. These findings suggest that Okara is a low-cost source of bioactive compounds that can positively affect human health. Established in 1992, Banawe Soybean Curd Food Products Corporation, formerly known as Great Soybean, started its humble beginning in a small processing place at Greece Village in Quezon City and moved to Banawe, Quezon City eventually. This corporation has built a credible reputation as a leader in promoting health by introducing high-quality soy products in the Chinese and Filipino market. The company continues to promote wellness and uses only the best non-GMO soybeans straight from the Canadian farms, and its state-of-the-art facilities ensures a bacteria-free processing environment. It produces an array of soybean products such as soy milk, taho, tofu, and bean curd sheet. Banawe Soybean Curd Food Products Corporation aims to provide healthy alternatives and fresh soy products.
The world production of Okara is about 1.4 billion tons, and it is mostly produced by Asian countries, which includes Japan, Korea, China, and Singapore. In the Philippines, the amount of wet Okara can accumulate up to 200 kilograms daily as a result of soybean curd production by micro-industries.
At present, Banawe Soybean Curd Food Products Corporation generates approximately 200 to 300 kilograms of Okara daily as a result of their soybean processing, thus presents a massive disposal problem. This large quantity of Okara is currently being discarded to livestock owners who make use of this industrial residue as an animal feed. In order to address food wastage reduction, the company has expressed plans for new initiatives to transform Okara into high-value food product. The Research Center for the Natural and Applied Sciences of University of Santo Tomas recently engaged in a research venture with Banawe Soybean Curd Food Products Corporation in order to explore the possibility of using Okara in the development of an acceptable and healthy vegan sausage. This collaborative partnership was made possible during the Government Academe Industry or GAIN workshop held in August 2019, which was organized by the Department of Science and Technology. In our laboratory, fresh Okara from Banawe Soybean Corporation was dried and pulverized to produce Okara flour. Okara flour was subjected to physicochemical, functional, and microbial tests using standard published methods. Okara flour was vacuum packed and stored for later use. Currently, optimization experiments are being carried out to determine the ideal formulation for Soysage preparation. Response survey methodology is applied to study the simultaneous effects of ingredients on the properties of Soysage. Optimized product will be subjected to chemical and microbial analyses. Sensory evaluation will be done to measure acceptability, and sample will be analyzed during storage to investigate the changes in the product behavior. Later on, an in vivo animal model will be conducted to assess the effects of the Soysage consumption on lipid profile and blood glucose levels in rats. Findings from this research will contribute to the protection of the environment through waste reduction, economic benefits in marketing the newly developed food product, and improving human health due to the potential benefits from Soysage consumption.
Secretary Fortunato de la Peña, DOST Undersecretary for Research and Development Dr. Rowena Cristina Guevara, DOST Undersecretary for Regional Operations Engineer Sancho Maborang, co-public servants, project leaders and partners from the academe, industry players, guests and participants, a pleasant morning to all of you. In this first CRADLE Symposium, we celebrate not only breakthroughs in food, technology, health, and nutrition, but also the convergence of the academe and industry, of theory and practice, and of experience and expertise. Through the DOST's CRADLE, we combine the expertise of the academe and the practical experience of the industry to come up with first-hand solutions in increasing productivity, improving processes, and making better products. And we have the CRADLE journey of the University of Santo Tomas and Banawe Soybean Corporation to prove just that. Banawe Soybean Corporation was first assisted by the DOST NCR through the Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program in 2017. It has since become a partner of the agency in utilizing S&T to improve its business operations. In 2019, the company was able to meet experts from the UST during an ideation workshop which we conducted through the leadership and guidance of the Science for Change program managers. We are delighted to share that the company welcomed the partnership with the UST through the CRADLE program to find a solution to their problems in repurposing waste from soy processing. Since its inception, the CRADLE program has successfully brought the government, academe, and industry players together, allowing these three key players to find solutions to pressing problems and address industry gaps. We from DOST NCR express our support and commitment to engage more industry players to collaborate with the academe through the program. To our industry partners, may this symposium encourage you to avail yourself of the CRADLE program and work with higher education institutions in addressing the problems in your processes and production through research and development. Congratulations to the Science for Change Program Management Office for this symposium highlighting stories of collaboration towards business innovation. Good morning and stay safe, everyone.